When we think about how to be a man with honor, we usually have a certain image in our mind. We imagine a heroic soldier who carries the flag of his country up a hill while he gets shot about 5 times. You don't have to fight in a war to become this man. All you have to do is to design your life in a way that allows the people around you to respect you and your way of living life. Live according to your values. According to its definition, a man with honor is a man who is admired, respected, and judged as a good person by the people around him. You just have to look at this definition and you'll know that a liar, a pretender, and a brown nose will never be seen as this kind of man. If you want to learn how to be a man with honor, you have to stop pretending to be someone you are not. You have to stop denying and ignoring your own values just because you are afraid that you could rub someone the wrong way. If you want to learn how to be an honorable man, you better speak the truth. An honorable man is a man who speaks the truth. No, I don't mean that you should only speak the truth when you are comfortable doing so and when you don't expect anyone to disagree with you. An honorable man who speaks the truth does this in every situation, irrespective of the pressure to conform. Live for something bigger than yourself. A couple of years ago, I had no idea what my life purpose was. I was convinced that I was damned to spend the rest of my life in the same miserable and unfulfilling way as my coworkers. As a result, I never really thought about self-actualization, vision, and purpose. An inner voice told me to escape and to live a meaningful life, but I had no idea how I should escape. I realized that when you live your purpose, every day feels like an adventure. Love and respect women. Your attitude towards women and the relationships you have with them determine how honorable you are as a man. Unfortunately, we seem to live in times in which it is cooler to label women as sluts and bitches than to openly admit that you love and respect women. Accept what can't be changed and change the unacceptable. If you want to become an honorable man, you have to practice acceptance. A man who is able to accept the things he can't change won't waste his time fighting against walls that can't be broken down. He also won't jump through hoops in the hope that somebody sees what a man-trained puppy he is. If you want to learn how to be a man with honor, you have to be willing to accept the things that you can't change. If you want to learn how to be a man with honor, you don't have to go to war to find out. All you have to do is to live according to your values and to speak the truth, no matter if people love what you say or judge you for your words. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it is helping you on your journey. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below if you liked the video. Good luck with your journey.